Are you videotaping?
Yeah. Yeah. I know. Tell your dad to be more respectful. What's the plan here, fellas?
Jerking it out.
Jerking it out. All right, I like it. What do you think, Braden? Is it gonna work? Is it 40-20, Joe? 40-10. All right. 40-10 versus the shrub. I'm putting my money on the John Deere 40-10. Get a nice, good connection in there, Rob. How's the work going? I hear you grunting. Yeah. I don't know. We need to have a slip on. All right, here we go. 40-10 versus the shrub. Oh,
40-10.
like a knife through warm butter. That was nothing, Braden.
That was hard at all.
What do you got to say, Charlie?
Hey,
What do you
this
think?
is a terrific day.
This was awesome.
Awesome. Great help.
Many hands
This is-
make light
oh,
work.
Yes, this has just been
And big tools, too.
big tools always help.
And
Gentlemen,
kids.
words of wisdom.
It's a beautiful day. I'm just kind of telling people, just watch out what you're doing because you're in a cemetery.
We don't want to stick anybody 6 feet under today.
No.
Hey, what are you guys doing? Are you beating up on that stump?
No, we're trapping. We're
Big tools. A little dangerous.
Yeah, let's see my phone.
Oh yeah, a man working. Looks good, John. What's the deal here? He drives and you work?
I told you that's how it works. They take the seat and you get the truck.
What's up with this?
To share.
Then you have a stump to sit on, that's right.
Yeah.
got some Gorilla Glue. Just glue that notch back in there. Don't stand behind me, Sean, because when I bolt, I'm going straight behind. There it goes. There it goes. Watch.
Where is it heading?
It's going to head into the cemetery.
You hold it?
Yo, there it goes. That'll help it. That way. There it goes. Wow. Way to go, John! Woo! All right, get the chainsaws out. Let's go to town. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Wow.
He's old.
Yeah, you gonna count the rings?
No.
Yeah, count how many rings there are.